This miracle blue drink is all over the internet, and lots of people are saying it's the reason they've shed pounds. Just mix it with water and have it before bed. Take this Kansas mom, 46 years old with 3 kids, for example. She managed to melt away 63 pounds of stubborn fat from her hips, arms, belly, and thighs, which had been bothering her for ages just by drinking the blue tonic every night. Months of watching what she ate and hitting the gym didn't come close to the results she got from this Oriental Blue Tonic. What's great is that you can whip up this miracle blue drink right in your kitchen, and it's cheaper than $1 a day. Unfortunately, we can't post the step-by-step video of the recipe here as the weight loss industry would take it down in a matter of hours. We'll leave the link to the free presentation below in the description of this video in case you want to learn the recipe and change your body even before summer, but watch it quickly because the weight loss industry keeps pulling it down for revealing their tricks. So hurry up and watch it now.